Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu, start menu and type services. Go to services. Here you need to find out Bluetooth support service and Bluetooth audio gateway service and Bluetooth user service. These three of them you need to double click on it. You need to click automatic and start and apply. Okay, and it was Bluetooth support services, double click on it, and the same way you need to do it. Automatic, start, apply. Okay, Bluetooth user services, double click on it, the same way guys. Automatic, start, apply. Okay, that's it. Now I recommend you guys, you need to restart it PC before going to next step. Going to start menu and type troubleshooter settings. In troubleshooter settings you need to go on additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooters you need to go on Bluetooth fix and find and fix problem with Bluetooth devices. Run the troubleshooter. Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using a external adapter to add Bluetooth capability to this computer. I don't have using Bluetooth. If you had any problems, here will shown like this. Problem found. Check Bluetooth capability. That's it, guys, for today's video. Hope this guys tutorial worked for you. Thank you.